Presenting the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, front reading lamps, daytime running lights, tow hooks, split bench seat, and intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.